Nakapenga tatu uya yaman. Ndoba kufariza na uya yaman. Sparks wati yaman. They never pin a square so them never yaman. But I tell them straight yaman.
Modern mean, modern crucial. Yaman some are saying 10 out of 10 yaman. 15 out of 10 yaman. One Peshima Dao, 7 out of 10 on the riddim ball.
Big bigger thing when we jump yaman.
Out of 10 we want you to ready.
It's a rider match on yaman.
Wally Pachoons, me liking from this rhythm. Wally Pachoons, me liking from this rhythm. Another one of my favorites is this one. One Scotty T. Wow, we would love this situation. Listen carefully. Listen carefully to this tune. Listen, please. Yes, my king. Yes, my father. Anything which is nice, we play twice or thrice. One Scotty T. And we ride on the softer. Oh, it's a let new talent arise, father. New youth, father. Bandism down to scene. Modern men.
Famous trendy with church and jewelry. This bad must have a city yet do not be bearing up a boss knife, jelly, golden ground, selling. In a me territory, come is profit scary. We no watch mouse play, we no red eye. From your things so you bad, me no give a blind. Toxic hard like them, make why come from. I me no trust man, I bought him horse so see me. Other than someone who live cause I'm
International setting this. Yeah man, the rhythm called the hardcore attack rhythm. Monster Sparks Records. After 8 recording label this. Yeah, I'm just give you 5 for 5 tunes here. Next week I'll give you the full package. Remember it's all about the queen in the building.
When they were church and jewelry, this what must have a city yet do not be bearing up a boss knife, jelly, golden ground, selling. In a me territory.
Attack rhythm. Remember I told you holy parties on this rhythm. Ladies Wanda, Soldier Love, Fizman Junta, Aitan also there, CC also there. But next week, pon ready, I'll get to unleash the whole rhythm. Kind of say tonight it's all about Ladies Wanda. It's all about after 8. But what we about to do right now, Matama, what I'm about to do right now, trust me, father. I will say hell broke loose again. If you're recording, just take your phone and put. If you're hearing on your speaker, that is your radio. Just take your phone and put it on the radio. For this is fresh, brand new from heaven. Never heard on radio. When I say yes, my king, yes, my father. When I say weddy, and a joke thing. Are you not? It's for the first time on radio. Lady Squander and Silent Killer. For the first time.